How do you make a woman feel attracted to you, even when her interest doesn't seem strong at first? It's a question most men have asked at some point. You meet someone interesting, you try to be kind, you give attention, you show effort, and yet, the more you try, the more distant things feel. If that sounds familiar, here's something important to understand. You're probably not doing the wrong things. You're just doing the right things, in the wrong order. Attraction doesn't grow through logic. It grows through emotion. And today you're going to learn 7 psychological triggers that naturally build that emotional connection. Not tricks, not manipulation, just awareness of how human attraction actually works. And make sure you stay until the end because the final one is subtle, but incredibly powerful. Most people assume attraction is about being good enough. But in reality, attraction is often about how someone feels around you, not just what you say or do. Research in psychology suggests that people rely on quick emotional impressions, what we might call mental shortcuts. These impressions happen fast, often without conscious awareness. That's why someone can seem perfect on paper, but still not create that spark. So instead of trying harder, you need to understand what actually creates that feeling. The first trigger is presence. Not looks, not status, presence. When you walk into a room, do you seem comfortable or slightly tense? Do you move calmly or do you rush? People notice this instantly. A calm, grounded presence signals confidence without needing words. Imagine this. You're in a social setting. Instead of scanning the room for approval, you relax. Your posture is steady. Your movements are unhurried. That alone changes how people perceive you, because confidence isn't loud, it's steady. The second trigger is emotional contrast. Many men make the mistake of agreeing with everything. They avoid tension completely. But here's the truth. A little playful disagreement can actually create engagement. For example, if she says she loves waking up early, instead of instantly agreeing, you might smile and say, "Really? You don't seem like a morning person to me." Light, playful, respectful. This creates interaction, not just approval. Because attraction often grows through contrast, not constant agreement. The third trigger is balance in attention. This is where a lot of people lose control, replying instantly all the time, always being available, canceling plans just to talk. It might feel like effort, but it can reduce perceived value. People are naturally drawn to those who have a full life, goals, hobbies, direction. When your time is meaningful, your attention becomes more valuable. It's not about playing games. It's about having a life that doesn't revolve around one person. The fourth trigger is real listening, not just hearing words, but remembering meaning. When you recall small details someone shared earlier, it creates a strong impression. For example, if she once mentioned liking a certain flower, and later you bring it up naturally, it shows attention and presence. People don't connect through constant talking. They connect through feeling seen. The fifth trigger is balanced openness. Some men believe they need to appear perfect, always strong, always in control. But real connection doesn't come from perfection. It comes from honesty, shared with confidence. Talking about a past challenge or lesson without negativity or self-pity makes you relatable. It shows depth. Strength isn't hiding flaws. It's being comfortable with them. The sixth trigger is physical awareness. Human connection isn't just verbal, it's also physical, but always respectful and appropriate. Simple things like standing at a comfortable distance, matching energy, or a brief, natural touch in the right context can create familiarity. Science shows that positive physical cues can increase feelings of comfort and trust. But this should never feel forced. The key is awareness and respect. And now the final trigger, controlled unpredictability. The human brain is drawn to variety. When interactions feel too predictable, interest can fade. But when there's a natural mix, sometimes playful, sometimes calm, sometimes slightly mysterious, it keeps things engaging. This doesn't mean being inconsistent or confusing. It means not being completely predictable, because a little uncertainty keeps people curious, and curiosity builds attention. Now here's the most important part. These are not tricks. They're not about pretending to be someone you're not. They're about understanding how connection actually forms. Attraction isn't built by chasing harder. It's built by becoming more grounded, more aware, and more present. You don't need perfect words. You don't need a perfect plan. You need presence, balance, awareness. And when you combine these, something shifts. You stop trying to convince people to like you and start naturally attracting the right kind of attention. If this helped you see attraction differently, comment "aware" below. And if you want to go deeper into the subtle signals people show without saying a word, check out the next video on your screen. Because once you understand both what people say and what they don't say, everything changes.